Hi, I'm Krishna. This is day 22 of 30 days of understanding the modern AI stack. So, in simple terms, an agent is an AI that can think, take actions, observe results, and keep looping until it reaches your goal. You don't have to look smart in front of people. But if you actually want to understand this and not just memorize the definition, let's start with a funny scenario. Imagine you want to create an Instagram agent that tries to find a girlfriend or a boyfriend for you. Again, we are not doing this. Instagram will ban your account, your mom will disown you, and karma will be waiting. But just imagine, you tell the agent, go find potential matches and DM them politely. Here's what the AI does. Think, okay, who should I message? Act, sends a DM. Observe, did they reply? Think, no replying, try someone else. Act, DM another one. Observe, still nothing? Think, okay, don't give up. Next, repeat until someone replies. And this is exactly how agentic loops work. The important thing is the pattern. It doesn't give one answer, it doesn't stop after one output. It keeps going. That's just based on what just happened. This is why AI agents feel more alive than a normal AI chatbot. They behave like someone solving a mini mission. Try, check, adapt, continue. Technically, this is based on the React pattern. Reason, act, observe. Reason, act, observe. Until you get the final answer. A normal LLM only does prompt, then output. But an agent does think, do, check, think, do, check until the work is done. This loop is what makes AI capable of handling real world tasks. Let's use a meaningful example instead of Instagram. So you tell your AI, plan my day based on these tasks. A chatbot panics and dumps a generic schedule. But an agent does this. It follows think, act, observe pattern. Before scheduling, it checks for calendar availability and then calls your Google Calendar or whatever calendar you have API, finds your free slots, prioritize tasks based on deadlines, extract deadlines from tasks, short them, write tasks back into the calendar, free slots actually, and then gives you a clean, optimized day plan. This is what agentic loops allow. Not just talking, doing work, step by step, smartly, contextually, to understand why agents were created in the first place. We can think of it like this. LMs are great thinkers, but useless doers. They can answer questions, but they can't fetch live data, check your availability, interact with tools, update systems, correct mistakes, stay in a loop until done. So, engineers added this loop mechanism. Now, the model becomes a planner, a problem solver, a workflow engine. Here are the common building blocks to build an agent: LLM for reasoning, tools, an action parser, something that reads a model's output and decides, is this a thought or is this a tool call? Next is state management, a looping controller, stop conditions. Like every agent needs rules. When should I stop? Because without it, agent can go into infinite loops. Seventh is optional memory, vector memory or short summaries, so the agent can remember context across long operations. And yes, the Instagram idea, technically doable, but it's just a humorous way to understand how agentic loops work. So, agents are what turn AI from chatting into doing. LLMs think, agents think, plus act, observe, and adapt. This loop is the foundation of autonomous SR systems, task turners, workflow automation, and the future of AI. In the next video, we'll learn something else. See you in the next video. Let's do it.